In our society, one of the most significant issues is the gender gap between men and women in important roles. Those women typically receive fewer opportunities, and this problem isn't limited to just regular jobs. It also happens in sports. And even though the Olympic Games are one of the most egalitarian events between genders in the world, this has not always been the case. Like in the ancient Greece, which is the origin of the Olympics, women were forbidden from participating. And the same happened in the first edition of the Olympics, the modern Olympics, in 1896. But in less than a century, the numbers of athletes, female athletes, competing became almost equal to the men. But the disparity between men and women in higher ranking positions remain significant. So the IOC been implementing measures to um, minimize those issues since 1979, when the IOC established women's right to participate in sports and eliminating the discrimination against women. And then in 2014, the IOC introduced the 2020 agenda to increase the participation of women in the Olympics in leadership roles and participating in the Olympics. And thanks to those efforts, now 40% of the members of the IOC and 50% of the athletes are composed of women. And now in the infographic, we have the timeline of those measures where the IOC made since 1900 to 2023. And we also have the timeline since women started to participate in the first edition to the 2024 Olympics in Paris. So we can see how much our society has been increasing as a society, and how much woman has achieved since those years.